Hi guys, uwian na po. Uwi na kami sa aming minamahal na Port Townsend. Oh? Uwian na po. Uwi na kami sa aming minamahal na Port Townsend. Ayan, so syempre terno na naman.
Parang ang trabaho dyan.
Ganun talaga, normal na yan. Hi guys! Going home! Si Caleb, oh, paborito niya po talaga yan, pero nagbihis siya sa panloob.
Si Keisha.
Si Keisha.
Siyempre hindi pa rin nagsusuklay.
Hindi pa nagsukulay si Keisha. So yun po. 2:45 pa ang aming ferry trip, pero dapat 2 o'clock nandun na kami, so kailangan namin mag-drive na. It's 11:30.
Cassandra, where did
Hanap
you put
muna ng
my lip gloss?
magagalaan bago po pumunta doon.
Wala.
So, thank you guys. Hi guys. State Park Lighthouse. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Fort Cassie. Camp Cassie pala.
Port?
Port ba? May
Ay,
nakalagay.
port. Head southwest. State Park.
Port Cassie. Yeah, ayan oh, mga military base dati. Military house pala. Gala muna tayo dito guys bago tayo.
May pass na naman siya.
Meron na naman? Oh, sige. Pasukin natin. $10. Welcome to Port Cassie. Ganda ng popcorn. Oh. Okay, thank you. Wala nang ulan kaya ganda na mag-video.
Nursing.
Slow down. Doon, pupunta tayo doon. Saan ang Oh, fee area. Discover pass required. Papasok muna tayo dito, Yan yun, di ba?
Mamaya yata pwede nang bumaba doon.
Head south.
Camper.
500 feet, turn right.
Pay station. Saan ba ang pay station? Dito siguro.
Turn right.
Ah, ayan, pay here. Dito. Saan tayo magpa-parking? Uy, naku, ang ganda may mga may mga canyon. Diba? Sakto yung punta natin. Pang depensa nila yan sa mamaya pa, 2:45 pa. It's 12 pa lang 12:14. Ayun, parking yun. Hi guys, so nandito ngayon tayo sa Whidbey Island sa may Fort Cassie. Fort and Camp Cassie. Ayan, punta tayo doon mamaya. Ganda. So pasok muna tayo sa store nila. Let's go. Hi.
How can I help you?
We're paying for the fee.
You're paying to park.
Yeah. How much?
$10
$10,
for
okay.
today or...
Just for today.
Okay, $10.
Hi guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Camp Casey daw, Camp Casey. So, ayan. Ganda. Natin si Mrs. Agnes, pero ayun siya. Ayun yung Port Townsend do. Doon kami nakatira. Tingnan natin. Port Townsend, yan. Doon kami nakatira, so tatawid lang tayo. Nandun pa yung ferry sa kabila, diba? Ayun. pupunta tayo doon later. Yung mga canyon. Tapos, mga base nila yan. Ayun, doon pa. So, malayo eh. Malawak daw to. Mayroon pa daw mga doon. Taan natin yung history. So yeah, ayan. Fort Casey in defense of how to pronounce Puget Sound. Innovations left. Fort is behind. Yan. Tapos, ayan. A new defense. A new design for defense. Yan guys, ito na yung yan, may quarters sila dito. Tapos ando doon. Yan. Woo! Ando sa taas yung ayun laki nung canyon. Let's go up here. Caleb, up in here. Up in here. Up in here. Para may lose my cool. Up in here. Up in here. Dito muna sa baba, be. Lock natin. Yan. So, meron sila maintaining the machinery. Dito yung mga ayan. Mga technician. Ayan. From plotting, all room dito. Ayan, akit na tayo. Makakaakit tayo dun sa No. We're welcome here. Yeah, andito na tayo sa Go there, be. Go there. Go there.
No.
Go, Caleb. Siya. Go there, Caleb.
I'm waiting.
Yeah. Go up, tapos picture. Ha? Yun
Ang laki yung
Ang laki, be. Canyon, be.
I'm pretty sure this is where they get the magazines. It says shell powder loading room magazine platform.
No. Loading. Ano dyan? Yung... Be, can you hold this, please? Be. Bahala kayo, ayaw nyo umakyat. Let's go. See, like this, step. Hold. Oh, it's nice here. There, you can go there also. But it's hard there. I'm on top of the world. Yun laki na itong kanyon Yun Ang laki ng kanyon, ang gandun. Yung nahulog ka dun sa loob Dito nilalagay yung malo, yung bala. Fire in the hole! This is their reloading station. Diyan sila nagre-reload ng ano, ng parang bala. Missile.
William.
William Ward. Okay, dito kayo. Picture kayo dito sa ano, sa bridge. Yan, oh, 'di ba? Ay, hindi. Ayan guys, oh. Tayo, William Ward. Ready, aim, fire! Ready, aim, fire! Repeat! Ito pa oh, isa pa oh. Mababa naman. Dali, pipicturean kita dyan sa ano, sa loob. Guys! I'm on top of the world! Hey! Na-na-na-na-na. Yay! Yes? Yeah, wait. I'll carry you. Asan yung ferry? Andun na? Excuse me.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
For the hole! You know, ang layo.
Oh, wait.
And go. Woo! Go, Bikilin! Run!
Cherry blossom.
Oh, 10 yung speed limit din eh. Oh, may ano, bunny. Rabbit. Yan. Punta tayo sa lighthouse.
Yung pinaka ni Kuya, nandun na si cellphone.
Sino kuya?
Ayun, yun nandun sa...
Ang galing ng park dito. Wait lang, Nay. Park muna ako. Yan. Siyo. Ayan, meron din dyan, mahal. Yan, lighthouse. So they see everything from that one. Kampo nila. Can you see light? Let's go. Dumi na ng Georgian mo, be ah. Ano daw? Ha? It's up to 4. Hi. Good, how are you? Thank you. Oh, very nice. See? Oh, nice, Caleb.
Oh my gosh. Caleb. What is this?
Oh, go, be. Check something out. Go. Now here you can walk and check. Right? Oh, check this out. One out, be. You see the light? Huh? Nice light.
Try that one.
What is that? Bending light.
Hello.
Hi.
So I'll show you the lenses on these. The way that with its prisms, it makes them very.
Ooh. That's nice.
So that made it really distinctive. So if you're in the water and you see a light flashing and 5
Yeah.
flashes, you would know where you were by looking at your nautical charts and
Yeah.
seeing what lighthouse has that pattern.
Yeah, that's nice. Be, look oh. Light, no? Huh? Yeah.
Marami pala siyang kanya.
Yeah.
Oo, ang dami.
This is the mini version of Fort.
The original lighthouse was actually at the point up there in front of the guns. And it was built in 1860. It was right here, and there's a rock out there actually with a plaque that tells, this is the location of the old lighthouse.
Oh, okay.
So when the Army came in to put all these guns in here in 1897, they had to move it because all the guns were there in the line of fire.
Yeah.
So they moved it from here to its present location there in 19.
Oh, okay. So this is the original layout.
Yeah.
Nice. What is that?
Daddy, can I buy something here? Daddy,
Yes.
let's buy something.
You ask mommy. Maybe they have magnets. Mal,
This used to be the kitchen,
kitchen?
Kitchen. and that's the original
pantry.
cold running water heater.
Oh, this is the
And
original
also forced
pantry.
hot air to heat the 3 bedrooms upstairs.
Oh, nice. Oh. Yeah, here. Ay, there. Gig Harbor. Ah, no, not in. It's not in Gig Harbor. West Point. Is it in Gig Harbor?
Just be aware the top 12 steps is basically a ladder, so just
Oh, okay.
watch your footing, especially with the children.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go. May ano? What is that? Wow. Let's go. Caleb, go. We need to, Kisha, be careful with the, ladder. Ayan sila, oh. Yeah. They're going up there. Woo. Be careful, guys, ha?
Safety first. Oh no.
Yay.
I am so scared.
Go, you can do it. Iiwan mo na lang muna siguro dito yan. Baby, wait lang.
Hindi, mamaya ka nga. Para may sasal sa'yo.
Oh, be careful ha. Caleb, hold tight. Yeah, go. You can do it. Go. Brave. Go, brave one.
Mommy, go. Mommy. Oh, Daddy.
Go, Caleb.
Daddy, I am so great at that.
Go. Go. Make sure that your foot is in the middle of the step. Okay. Ikaw naman, baka ikaw pa mahulog. Madam, ha?
Mommy, be careful. Or you fall down there in a second. Mommy, hurry up.
Go, you can do it. Careful. Careful. Inalis na yata. Saan? Baka nandyan. Yeah! Hi guys! Hi guys! Nandito kami sa taas ng light. Akala ko mahuhulog na ako. Wala pala. Doon pa. Hey, don't go there. Yan. We're here sa Whidbey Island Lighthouse. Baby girl, so brave, no? She climbed the stairs.
I am better than
Yeah. Go, she climbed the stairs, oh.
How do we get down?
Yay! Selfie! Selfie tayo. Kisha. Oh. Ang kulit. Sabing hindi pa tagilid eh. Ganyan, oh. Hold mo yan. Tire lace. Masalo yung si Kasi.
Mommy, can you stop holding on to me?
Ako ka na.
I'm gonna push you down.
Stay here.
Ow!
Sorry, kuya.
Ow! Kasi go. Come here.
Medyo ako.
Mommy, be careful. Mommy, be careful.
Huwag kang tatalon ha, hindi kita kaya. Ang bigat mo, mabibiti ako.
Move, Keisha.
Ay, yung last kiss. Woo! Guys! Woo! Run tayo guys! Run tayo guys! Woo! Run tayo guys! Oh! Naiwan na si Miss Vicky oh! Vicky lang daw. Uwi na guys, basa sa ulan. Totoo na to. Ay, basang-basa yung sombrero ko. Okay. Totoo na to guys. Going home na. No, we're not going down. We'll just just drive around. Ah, oo. Pero ayun, oh guys. Ayun yung mga military base doon na be. Mga bahay nila. Camp Casey. Sunod tayo pa rin sa kabila.
Dito tayo ulit. Same place, same channel.
Pabaliktad lang. Mas malapit tayo sa
Ayun na naman si Pogi.
Oo.
Kanili si ate. Si Pogi.
Tiga Port Townsend. Yan. So, pabalik namin ang kitong dugo. Kala, habang nakaupo ka, kaya lagay mo dito yung cellphone mo. Kami. Yay! Malapit na kami sa Port Townsend! Dito na kami! Yay! Punta sa Port Townsend! Yay! Yan na sa Port Townsend oh. Yan na.
Your attention, please. We are now arriving at our destination. Please make sure that you have all of your personal belongings before disembarking the vessel. Drivers and passengers, return to your vehicles. For safety and health reasons, do not start your engine until directed by a crew member. Walk-on passengers will disembark from the car deck. Cyclists should return to their bicycles at this time. All passengers must disembark the vessel upon arrival. Thank you for sailing aboard the Washington State Ferries. We look forward to seeing you again soon.
Oh, sorry. There you go.
Get closer.
No, no good, dude. It's raining.